Welcome to Madhur Investment Academy. Madhur Investment Academy is an institution which aims at simplifying investing, which is a vital part of one's life's journey. We also provide market inputs, news analysis, and content related to finance and insurance. It is presented by Dr. Investment and Investment Advisory Company. So today's topic is bonds and debt mutual funds. We are going to compare both of these, and at the end we are going to share our opinion on that. So first of all, let's talk about what are bonds and what are debt mutual funds. Bonds, in simple words, are the debt obligation on the company. In case of liquidation, bondholders get priority in payment over equity shareholders. And at the other hand, debt mutual fund are essentially mutual funds which collects money from investor and invest in debt instruments such as commercial papers, bonds, debentures, etc. They are a bit different from your regular mutual fund as they invest in portfolio of bonds rather than portfolio of equity shares, thereby providing stability and predictable returns on your investment. It is, in simple words, owning a bond through a mutual fund. It is as simple as that. And also there are different categories of debt mutual funds such as ultra short term funds, corporate bond funds, GLIT funds which only invest in government securities. You can choose either of them according to your time horizon and according to your goal. So next topic is about advantages and disadvantages of owning a bond directly through the market. So first let's discuss advantages. You get to pick a bond of your own choice directly from the market, and also you can invest your entire money in a single bond of your preferences, and also you will get periodic interest on the due date mentioned on the bonds contract. So these were the advantages. Disadvantages are retail bond market in India is not that liquid. Sometimes there are no buyers and seller to the for the bond you want to trade in. If there are no buyers and no sellers in the market, how you are going to buy or sell that particular bond you have or you want to buy? Okay, so this is the one of the biggest disadvantages. And second disadvantages is are buying bond directly expose you to the interest rate risk, which is minimized in debt mutual fund as they own a variety of bond in a single portfolio having various maturities. So these were the advantages of and disadvantages of owning a bond directly. So now let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of owning a bond through debt mutual fund. First, let's discuss advantages. First of all, you are eliminated from the problem of liquidity as mutual fund buy and sell bonds in wholesale market, which is liquid to a larger extent. Secondly, you reduce your default risk as you are buying a portfolio of bond rather than owning a single company bond. Your risk is divided into various bonds. And disadvantages are you have to rely on fund manager for your bond selection. It can also be termed as an advantage because you don't have to do an extensive studies on bond in which you have to invest in. You can trust your fund manager, they are very experienced in this field for your bond selection. And also you have to pay annual expense ratio to the mutual fund company. It is as same as expense ratio you pay in equity mutual fund schemes, but it is lower compared to that. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of owning bonds through debt mutual fund. At the end, let's talk about our opinion. We think since the retail debt market is illiquid in India, the biggest benefit we see in owning a bond through debt mutual fund is liquidity. You will get your money via redemption in a single working day, which is absent while owning bonds directly. And also owning a portfolio of bond through debt mutual fund is recommended as it reduces default risk as compared to owning a single company bond directly. This was discussed in previous slide as well. And also some good quality bonds do not trade in retail debt market, and hence investing through a debt mutual fund helps take advantage of owning such bonds. So this is our opinion on bonds and debt mutual fund. We think that debt mutual fund is far better than owning a bond directly from the market. So thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. To invest in debt mutual fund and any inquiry related to investment, please contact on the email ID given on the screen, or also you can fill our Google form in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.